3 years ago, one of my youth did something not legal. And the first person he came to see was me. He just knocked at the youth center, bawling in tears. What's wrong? He's like, I did something stupid. I don't know what to do. It's like, Atipai, let's sit down. I'll offer him something to drink. He says, who do you want me to call? He says, like, can you call my mom, please? Like, sweet. And I just listened to him, what he needed. And obviously, parents came, police came, everything. But that was the first person he came to see, was me. I'm still asking this question, why me? I think because I was on his life daily after school to listen to him, listen what he wanted to say, fed him, let's be honest, was I? And I accepted him for who he was, with all the trauma he had, all this violence he had on him, but I accepted for who he was. I think safety is the key for everyone to be real, and for everyone to drop the line, to drop the mask they have in the community and to finally be who they are. If you feel safe, you don't need to be on fight-flight mode. You can just relax and enjoy the moment and trust the person in front of you. I think safety, yes, you have this physical safety, but you have the mental safety. Unfortunately, nowadays, we have more and more young people and all around the world with their well-being is not the best. And offering this space for them to be listened for who they are, no judgment, is the best we can do.